Okay, so today we're gonna be reviewing the and I'm probably not pronouncing this right, but Arachnid Big Boss. So we're gonna be reviewing this particular product today, and it looks like it's got all 5 stars. Nobody said anything bad about this product, so let's look at it. Let's look at the demo that they have here. Oh, well, that's different. That looks pretty cool, actually. That's pretty scary. Ooh. Wow. Like a spider, or it could be an alien on a different planet. That's pretty cool. Oh, yeah. I'd be scared of that. Okay, I like the animations on that particular creature. Looks like everything is really good on this. And it looks like all the reviews are okay, so they got two reviews and they're all 5 star and only 1 4 star. So as always, let's start with the lower. It says this model is pretty nice and has some cool animations. It is too high poly and it doesn't come with LODs. I use Polyfew to reduce LOD 0 from 70K to 6K without losing details. My last star will come to if the offer ever updates the asset. Okay. And then the other, just got this and know your work really never disappoints. Hope you guys check it out. And then it says animations and the model looks amazing. Highly recommend. So that's good. So I'm real excited about reviewing this particular product. So let's go ahead, let's jump into Unity, and let's look at the demo scene. It's a little dark in here. Let me see here. Let me go this way. Oh, wow. Looks like this might be a dead end. Let me go this way. Oh, wow. Look at that. Ooh, that's a little scary. I think she looks mad. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, she's mad. Uh-oh. I guess I'm in her space. Everyone had a great night.